And this night and this day, the coming day after this. Is dedicated to the feminine nature of the divine. Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati are used as the symbols of these three dimensions of the feminine. They also represent the three basic qualities of existence: tamas, rajas and sattva. Tamas literally means inertia. Rajas means activity, passion. Sattva, in a way, is breaking of boundaries, dissolution, melting and merging. Among the three celestial objects to which the very making of our bodies are very deeply connected, the earth, the sun and the moon. Mother Earth is considered tamas. The sun is rajas, moon is sattva. Those who aspire for power, for immortality, for strength, they will worship those forms of feminine which are referred to as tamas, like the Kali or the Mother Earth. Those who aspire for wealth, for passion, for life, and various other gifts that the material world has to offer. They naturally aspire towards that form of the feminine, which is referred to as the Lakshmi or the sun. Those who aspire for knowledge, knowing, transcendence, immortality of not the body, but transcending the limitations of the mortal body, they will aspire for that aspect of the feminine which is referred to as the sattva, or Saraswati is the representative of that, or the moon. These three will follow the next 3 days. Today is the day of Durga or Kali. Tamas is the nature of the earth, and today is her day. And she's the one who gives birth. The whole the gestation period that we spend in the womb, our womb time, is tamas. It's like a state which is almost like hibernation, but it's growing. So tamas is the nature of the earth, of your birth. You're sitting on the earth, you must just learn to simply be one with her. You're anyway part of her. Only when she wishes, she throws you out. When she wishes, she sucks you back. This Navaratri, there are certain things happening in the temple. Enjoy the Navaratri and make use of it, because those of you who are on certain type of sadhana, like brahmacharis and a few others, what day it is, it doesn't matter. But for all others, it will matter. Making use of little supports that nature offers is good to make use of. Going on your own steam is not impossible. Not many people made it, that's all. So, make use of these 9 days. If you're here for these 9 days, please make use of it for what it is. You should spend some time with the Devi. It'd be very good to do that in these 9 days.